Hey guys, it's Cameron here with Emerson Property Management. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that have helped me build up a sizable rental portfolio in about 2 years and now manage that portfolio. Today I had a question. I seem to have this a lot with some of the new investors, and to be honest with you, I had the same question when I first started is, what is the real estate investment strategy? What strategy should I go into? How do I get into it? How do I start? What should I start in? Flips, rentals, wholesaling? You know, I hear wholesaling's great. If you guys want my thoughts on wholesaling, go up here. But the truth of the matter is, every strategy is different for every person. Some people want to be full-time real estate. Some people don't. Some people have millions of dollars and they just need a place to put it. They don't want a 10, 20, 30% return. They want a safe 5% return. You know, there are just so many different scenarios, which is why most of the time you always hear not concrete advice. You know, you get something that's doesn't sit well when you're starting out, you're ambitious, and you just want to be told what to do so you can do it and be successful in real estate. Unfortunately, it's just not that simple. It really is particular for your situation, which also makes it a fantastic investment. Because real estate, you can do it whether you want to do it part-time, full-time, you have a lot of money, you don't have a lot of money, you want to create generational wealth, you want to create some more quick cash. You know, there's different strategies you can use. So I have a handful of questions. If you're struggling to find out what investment strategy you want to use, your real estate investment strategy, ask yourself these questions. And there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. First question: do you want to work in real estate full-time or part-time? So I mentioned this earlier. If you want to be in real estate full-time as a full-time investor and make a career out of it, you're going to invest differently than if you're doing it part-time, just to substitute some work on the nights and weekends, or just maybe, you know, have a little bit of cushion if you lose your job or change industries, or want to do some philanthropic work to take a lower pay cut, and this will substitute or bridge that gap from the money you're making now. So that's one thing to look at. The other thing, how much money do you want to make a month or a year? Again, this kind of fits in. If you just want to, fits in the last question. If you just want to make enough money to you know, substitute a nice vacation a year, or you want to make $500,000 a year, that's going to depend. Your strategy is going to change depending on which side of the spectrum you're on. Do you want to make more money now or build wealth? So again, are you trying to create generational wealth, something that you don't need now? You want to work your W-2 job, you want to take that money from that and pile it into cash flowing assets to actually create wealth and build wealth over time. That is one side of it. And the other side is, man, I just want some cash now to play with, and I'm not really looking to create generational wealth. I already have a bunch of wealth that's preserved and building money over there. I just want some quick cash today. Well, you would invest differently. When do you want to retire? So this is another thing. Do you want to quit your W-2 and go into some sort of, like I mentioned, philanthropic work, or go into real estate full-time? Do you want to just create that long-term wealth over time and stay in the job you're in? That is a big question. It could be, I want to quit my job in 5 years, or hey, 30, 40 years down the road, I want to have amass a fortune. Different strategies. The last one, does real estate fit into your retirement strategy? If so, then how much of your portfolio should be in real estate? So again, if you have 90% of your wealth into stocks and 10% into real estate, does that fit what you want to do? Does that help you sleep well at night? If not, do you want to flip that and go 90% in real estate and 10% in stocks? Stocks are really liquid. They go up and down though, they're volatile. Real estate's more stable, you know, but illiquid. You cannot get in and out of real estate. It's hard to get cash out that you want. Again, guys, I hate to tell you, you know, you should go into wholesaling, you should go into flipping, you should go into long-term buy and hold real estate. It really, truly just depends on how you answer these questions. You know, do you want a lot of cash now? Are you trying to build wealth? Do you want to go in real estate full time? Do you want to go just do stuff part time? Do you want to not be in real estate at all and just do private money transactions, just lend and not have any time invested in real estate? Again, these are different strategies. I hope that was helpful. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, let me know. Thinking through some of these questions will really help you pick that strategy, your strategy from the beginning that you want to use, and then propel you forward. And don't think you only have to use one strategy. You could go into wholesaling and then realize that you want to go into the buy and hold real estate. You could go into flipping and realize that you want to do private money lending. You don't have to stick to this strategy, but answering these questions will at least get you on the right road to start. So I hope that was helpful. Again, if it was, let me know below. If it wasn't, let me know as well. Or if you guys have any other questions or ways to think about this for your strategy, I'd love to hear that as well. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next week.